Welcome back to LaDenser Crochets. Today we are doing letter O. This is our 15th letter in the alphabet. We are working up to letter Z. So I hope you've checked the other letters from A to N, and if you have, let me know what you think about them. And so grab your materials and let's get into the tutorial. Start with a slip knot and chain 13. I have my 13 chains, then I'll start with a single crochet into the second chain after the hook. So this is the first, this is the second, do a single crochet there. Then we're going to work one single crochet into every chain for a total of 12 single crochets. So that's 2, then this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we don't complete the 12. We just pull up a loop like this. Then we take this short end and bring it to the top of the hook, hold it there, then complete the single crochet with it on top of the hook. So we are carrying it along so that we can work over it in the second row. So that's row 1, chain 1 and turn to begin row 2. Begin row 2 in the first stitch, this one over here, a single crochet. Then we're going to work one single crochet into every stitch to the end, a total of 12 single crochets, and I'm working over this end just to weave it in. This is my last stitch. I'll work the last single crochet over there, chain 1 and turn to begin row 3. We begin row 3 in the first stitch with a single crochet, then single crochet into the second stitch, into the third, then in the fourth we're going to drop the gray and pick the other color, in my case the purple. So get the yarn like this, then you just want to pull it through to complete that stitch with it. Like that. Then as we work the next stitches, we're going to work over the short end of the purple and the gray end. So we're going to work the first stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, the fourth one should be incomplete, so that's 2. Then we have, that's 3, then the fourth one incomplete, and we drop the purple to this side. We're going to drop the short end on the other side, then finish off that stitch with the gray, and the last 4 single crochets will be in gray. So this will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's row 3, chain 1 and turn to begin row 4. Begin row 4 with 2 single crochets, 2 complete single crochets, 1 and 2. Then the third one will be incomplete, so we drop the gray and pick the purple. Then we're going to complete that stitch with it. Then the next stitch will be in purple, and we're going to have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one is incomplete. So this one incomplete, drop the purple, pick the gray. Then we're going to have a total of 3 single crochets in gray at the end of that row. That's row 4. Chain 1 and turn to begin row 5. Begin with a single crochet, then the second one will be incomplete. Drop the gray at that point, pick the purple, complete that stitch with it. Make sure that you're working over the gray. I should have mentioned that we work over the gray all the time. So this is 1, then the second stitch will be incomplete, and we're going to drop the purple to this side, then pick up the gray, and we're going to work 1, 2, 3, then the 4th stitch will be incomplete, and we're going to pick another yarn of the purple and connect it at that point. So this, we use it to complete that stitch. So now we're going to work over the gray and the short end of the purple for 2 stitches. So begin with this one, 1, and the second one will be incomplete. So we drop the purple and also drop it on the other side, complete the stitch with the gray, then we'll have 2 single crochets at the end of row 5. Chain 1 and turn to begin row 6. Begin with a single crochet, then the second one we drop and pick the purple, carry the gray along at all times, then work a stitch and a second one which is incomplete, then we drop the purple, pick the gray, we work 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one we drop the gray and pick the purple, complete the stitch, then work 1 and 2, the second one is incomplete, drop the purple to this side, pick the gray, and complete the stitch with 2 single crochets in gray. So that's row 6. And row 6 is a row that we're going to repeat until we have a total of, let me confirm, I'm going to repeat row 6 until I get to 18 rows. So right now I'm in row 7. I'll chain 1 and turn to begin row 7, which we're going to work the same as row 6. So the first 2 single crochets, then we drop in the second, drop the gray, pick the purple, complete 2 single crochets. Okay, one is incomplete. We drop the purple, pick the gray, work a total of 3 complete stitches in gray, then the 4th one will be incomplete. We drop it and pick the purple, then we work 1 single crochet which is complete, then the other one is incomplete. We drop the purple and pick the gray. So keep repeating this row until you get to row 18, and I'll meet you there. I'm done with the 18 rows, so I'm ready to begin row 19. So I'll chain 1 and turn, begin with a complete single crochet, then a second one is complete, then the third one will be incomplete, and we drop the gray, pick the purple, then complete that stitch with it, and we're going to work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the 6th one we're going to drop that purple and pick the gray. At this point we're not going to be using the second purple, we're done with it. We're only going to use this one. So after the 6th we're going to have 3 double crochets at the end of row 19. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and turn to begin row 20. We begin with 3 complete single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one is incomplete. So we pick up the gray and drop it, then get the purple and complete that stitch with it. Then we're going to work 3 complete single crochets with purple. So this is 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one will be incomplete. So we drop the purple, pick the gray, then we're going to have 4 single crochets with the gray. Chain 1 and turn. In row 21, we're going to work with the gray only, a complete row with gray, a total of 12 single crochets in gray. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 'That's row 21, chain 1 and turn to work the last row, which is row 22, and it's going to have 1 single crochet in every stitch, a total of 12 single crochets in gray. Chain 1 and cut the yarn, pull it through and fasten. We're going to weave in those ends with the purple. We'll also trim and weave them in. So now we are done with letter O. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the tutorial. If you've enjoyed it, leave a like, comment letter P so that we get right to it, and make sure that you subscribe if you're not subscribed. See you in the next one.